The year was 2147, and humanity stood on the brink of a new era. Earth, battered by centuries of overpopulation and environmental degradation, could no longer sustain its growing population. The world's governments united under a single banner, the Coalition for Galactic Advancement. Their goal was audacious, to colonize alien planets and ensure the survival of the human race. Leading this mission were 5 extraordinary individuals, enhanced beyond human limitations to confront the challenges of interstellar colonization. Dr. Elena Vargas, a renowned geneticist, spearheaded the project. Her research had laid the groundwork for enhancing astronauts, a controversial field that had divided public opinion. The enhancements were designed not only to adapt the astronauts to alien environments, but to make them capable of superhuman feats. Skeptics warned of ethical implications and unforeseen consequences, but the coalition deemed the risks necessary. The selection process for the enhanced astronauts was rigorous. Only 5 were chosen from thousands of candidates. Each represented the pinnacle of human potential, already excelling in fields like astrophysics, engineering, medicine, and combat training. These individuals would undergo genetic modifications, cybernetic augmentations, and extensive psychological conditioning. They were to become a new breed of human, stronger, faster, and smarter than ever before. Commander Nathaniel "Nate" Hayes, a decorated military officer, was the team leader. His calm demeanor and strategic mind made him the ideal candidate to guide the team through uncharted territories. Dr. Mia Zhang, an expert in extraterrestrial biology, was responsible for understanding alien ecosystems. Engineer Raj Patel brought unparalleled expertise in constructing and maintaining advanced technology. Dr. Amara Okoye, a medical prodigy, was entrusted with the health of the crew. Finally, Specialist Javier Torres, a former astronaut and physicist, provided critical knowledge of space travel and planetary exploration. The enhancement process began with genetic modifications. Dr. Vargas's team edited the astronauts' DNA to enhance muscle density, bone strength, and neural connectivity. These changes made them resistant to radiation, capable of surviving extreme temperatures, and able to heal at unprecedented rates. Next came cybernetic implants. Nate received a neural interface, allowing him to process data at lightning speed and control drones remotely. Mia's enhancements included sensory augmentation, enabling her to detect chemical changes in the environment and analyze them in real time. Raj's cybernetic arms gave him superhuman strength and precision, while Amara's augmented brain allowed her to diagnose and treat injuries instantly. Javier's enhancements focused on adaptability, with nanotechnology integrated into his cells to adjust to varying atmospheric pressures and gravities. The astronauts trained for 3 years, mastering their new abilities and preparing for the unknown challenges ahead. Their mission was to colonize Kepler 452b, an Earth-like exoplanet located 1,400 light-years away. Although unmanned probes had provided valuable data, the true nature of the planet remained a mystery. The crew boarded the Prometheus, a state-of-the-art spacecraft capable of faster-than-light travel, and began their journey into the void. The voyage to Kepler 452b tested the crew's resilience. Even with enhancements, the psychological toll of space travel was immense. Months of isolation and confinement strained their relationships, but their training kept them focused. Nate's leadership was instrumental in maintaining morale. He organized routines, ensuring that every team member had a sense of purpose. Raj and Javier worked tirelessly to maintain the Prometheus systems, while Mia and Amara collaborated on studying the alien samples retrieved by the ship's drones. When the Prometheus entered orbit around Kepler 452b, the crew was awestruck by the planet's beauty. Lush green continents and vast blue oceans suggested a world teeming with life. The team's first task was to establish a base of operations. Raj led the construction effort, utilizing modular habitats designed to withstand the planet's unpredictable weather. The team's enhancements proved invaluable. They worked tirelessly for days, building a functional base complete with laboratories, living quarters, and defensive systems. Exploration began in earnest. Mia and Javier ventured into the dense forest surrounding their base, collecting samples of flora and fauna. The ecosystem was unlike anything they had seen before. Plants glowed with bioluminescent hues, and animals displayed behaviors that defied Earth's evolutionary patterns. Mia's sensory enhancements allowed her to detect subtle chemical signals, identifying potential threats and resources. Javier's nanotechnology adapted to the planet's gravity, enabling him to move effortlessly through challenging terrain. As the days turned into weeks, the crew uncovered both wonders and dangers. They discovered a vast underground network of tunnels, possibly created by an intelligent species. Strange symbols adorned the walls, hinting at a forgotten civilization. Mia and Nate debated the implications of these findings. Were they intruding on sacred ground? Could the species that created these tunnels still exist? Tensions arose as the crew faced mounting challenges. A violent storm damaged the base, and the team worked around the clock to repair it. Amara's medical skills were put to the test when Javier was injured by an aggressive alien predator. She utilized her enhanced brain to develop an anti-venom within hours, saving his life. Despite their hardships, the team remained committed to their mission. One day, while exploring a cavern deep within the tunnels, the team made a groundbreaking discovery: a cache of advanced technology. The devices appeared dormant, but emitted faint energy signatures. Raj and Mia worked together to decipher their purpose. They concluded that the technology could manipulate matter at a molecular level, a capability far beyond humanity's understanding. Activating the devices was risky, but the potential benefits were immense. As the crew experimented with the alien technology, they noticed changes in their environment. The planet's weather patterns grew more erratic, and the wildlife exhibited aggressive behavior. Mia theorized that activating the devices had disrupted a delicate balance within the ecosystem. The team debated their next move. Nate argued for caution, while Javier advocated for further experimentation to harness the technology for humanity's benefit. The conflict reached a breaking point when an alien species revealed itself. They were tall, ethereal beings with luminescent skin and a language composed of harmonic tones. Communication was challenging, but Amara's enhancements allowed her to decode their intentions. The aliens were not hostile, but warned that their actions could destabilize the planet. They identified themselves as the planet's guardians, tasked with maintaining its equilibrium. Faced with a moral dilemma, the team grappled with their role as colonizers. Were they saviors of humanity or invaders disrupting another world? Nate called for a vote, and the team decided to collaborate with the aliens. Together, they worked to repair the damage caused by their experiments. The aliens shared their knowledge, teaching the crew how to coexist with the planet's ecosystem. As months turned into years, the team transformed from explorers to stewards of Kepler 452b. They established a thriving colony, balancing human advancement with ecological preservation. Their enhancements, once a source of controversy, became a symbol of humanity's potential to adapt and evolve. The mission's success inspired hope across Earth, proving that survival was possible through unity and innovation. The story of the enhanced astronauts became a legend, a testament to the resilience and ingenuity of the human spirit. As the colony flourished, Nate, Mia, Raj, Amara, and Javier looked to the stars, knowing their journey was only the beginning. Humanity had taken its first step into the cosmos, ready to embrace the infinite possibilities of the universe.